In this guide, we're going over every single race here in Sailor Piece on Roblox, explaining what each one does so you know which ones are actually worth using. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, as you progress through the game, you're going to realize that your race plays a big role in your overall build. It's going to give you permanent stat boosts that can affect your damage, survivability, and movement. And of course, even how fast you level up. And they're divided into different tiers based on rarity. The higher the rarity, the stronger the bonuses you get. And then of course, you get these races by re-rolling using codes or just by farming in-game as well. Now, when you start with the lowest tier, which is human, and that's the default race, it actually doesn't give you any bonuses. It's not really good at all, but as soon as you start moving up some races, you're going to get pretty small advantages, just like extra jumps, increased XP gain, or more cash from farming. These are helpful early on, but they're not going to carry over into late game. As you do get into higher tiers, the bonuses start becoming a lot more noticeable. You're going to see boost to your movement speed. You're going to see boost to your max HP, your damage as well. For example, this demon one that I have on right now gives me some pretty good stats. This is all going to make grinding so much easier and so much faster. In the mid to higher tiers, you're going to start getting good stat increases like higher total damage, increased HP, and even effects like lifesteal, which can help you stay alive during fights. And then finally, once you get some of the top tier ones, you're going to obviously notice the differences because they're huge, and they can increase your overall damage, survivability, and give you special bonuses tied to certain builds or abilities. At the highest level though, some races also are going to include extra effects like damage reduction, luck boost, and of course, other stuff that helps with rare drops. If you're trying to progress effectively and efficiently, you should aim for the highest tier that you could possibly go ahead and get. This overall will make your life so much easier in the entire game, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.